there, shoppers, it's Amy and I'm coming to you today from Cancun, Mexico. It is absolutely beautiful out here and we're gonna shoot a lot of content for you today using the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. This is all new, it's absolutely incredible, and it's gonna allow you to film cinematic quality shots. So if you are a camera enthusiast, if you are a content creator, if you are a traveler, or maybe if you're all three like I am, you're gonna wanna stick around and learn more about this incredible device. So this is it, my first ever shot with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. The colors are bright, everything is really stable and smooth, and check out this zoom. That is incredibly impressive. I can't believe how detailed and sharp that footage is even from so far away. Now when we pull back in, look at that transition. From bright light to shadows, that is so impressive to me. The details, the color, the stability, the smoothness, and all of this up close detail. Look at the separation between my subject and the background and how we're able to really oscillate in between the two. All of the colors, all of the depth, all of the richness. Again, check out this transition. As soon as we start focusing on the flowers in the foreground, we have that nice softness in the background. This is incredible. This is all made possible by dual cameras with multiple focal lengths. And the all-new 1-inch CMOS that has 17-stop ultra-high dynamic range, all on a stable gimbal. The camera is equipped with 3x med-tele lenses and 3-axis mechanical stabilization, so you have tons of detail and ultra smoothness regardless of the distance you are away from your subject. And speaking of subjects, you can easily select subjects on the camera screen and then it will actually track you. This is perfect for live streaming, vlogging, or getting the perfect action shots. Another great feature is the auto gestures. So throw up a peace sign and the camera will take a photo. And to stop and start video, you just open or close your palm. This low light comparison is insane. On the left, my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and on the right, the DJI. The difference is insane. And if you happen to need even more light, there is a handy little clip-on fill light. Check out the difference. Absolutely gorgeous and so incredibly easy. There are even in-camera beauty filters and film filters, so changing up the vibe of your shot has never been easier. And of course, you have the options with D-Log and all new D-Log 2 color. What this does is it's going to basically strip all of those colors out of the footage as you take it, and then you can go ahead and edit in post and bring those colors back in with different cinematic and gorgeous qualities. This is really similar to a lot of the Academy Award winning cinema cameras, and you can do that all with the Osmo Pocket 4P. The 3-axis mechanical stabilization gives you smooth shots. So if you are a vlogger, if you are documenting your trips, if you are doing things that require more action shots, then this is going to be perfect for you to get nice, smooth shots. Even if you're running around, even if you're hustling and bustling through a big city, you're still going to have a nice, smooth, cinematic type of shot. And speaking of cinematic qualities, let's check out the slow motion. I'm telling you guys, this is next level. It's 4K, 240 frames per second, Ultra HD, cinema grade slow mode. It is giving you breathtaking details and it makes anything look cinematic, anything look epic. It's really going to elevate everything you do and give you incredible storytelling capabilities. It even has slow shutter, so even if you are filming at night or you're filming in a busy city, you can get some really creative shots. Nighttime footage is gorgeous as well. The darks are darks, the colors are beautiful and popping, and your subject and your background is separated beautifully even in different lighting scenarios. One of my favorite aspects are all of the accessories. We've got our carrying case, 2 of them actually, and a tripod, the adapter, the microphone that of course integrates seamlessly in your entire Osmo system with the windshields, all of your charging cables, your wristlets, that snap-on fill light we talked about earlier, and this little guy right here is awesome. It's a remote control with a screen so you can film from far away. Overall, I think my favorite feature is how easy this is to use. It's tiny, it's lightweight, it's easy to carry with me absolutely anywhere. It's easy to hold on to. It's got perfect stability, that audio system already built in, and it even has a ton of internal storage already built right in. So I'm not constantly fumbling through different SD cards. It fits into your lifestyle, it's super easy to work, and it's packed with pro level features. So it's great for either experts or beginners. Speaking of ease of use, if you want to switch to a vertical video, all you have to do is flip the screen around. Flip it back around when you're ready to switch back to horizontal. I'm certainly not a professional videographer, but even on my first day, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P kind of made me feel like a pro. I got some incredible shots. I was able to get things that had different sort of lighting scenarios, even in backlit and high contrast situations. I felt like the colors feel so real and true to life, especially those skin tones. Beautiful blues, beautiful skies, and gorgeous views all the way around. Plus, it was easy. It was stable, it was smooth, the buttons just made sense. There are beauty filters, there are cinematic filters, and there's so many pro options. I had a great day filming, and I can't wait to experiment even more with this incredible new camera. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and learning all about the super impressive, all-new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. This is a true game changer, and if you would like to learn more or pick one up for yourself, I encourage you guys, this also makes a really, really great gift. I'm going to drop all the links and information in the description below for you. Go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.